I'm a student of Edoxi. Today is my final day. It was an awesome time. It's a long time that I want to do this, and I want to learn all the skills that I need to do AutoCAD drawings and design villas, which has always been a dream. I am an interior designer. However, I want to take it to the next level and do architecture. And with the skills that Mr. Shaheen has taught me, I never thought it would be possible, but he made it possible because he's extremely patient, an excellent teacher, and incredibly knowledgeable. I'm so impressed. And thank you to Edoxi for providing me with this service, and for Mr. Zainul being patient to take me on again, even though when I registered I had to go back to Italy, and then I came back. And it just, even though it was a bit of a confusion for a while, but they had so much patience to pick it all up again from wherever we left off. And today I can't believe I've designed a massive villa with a landscape, elevation, everything, and thanks to Mr. Shaheen. Oh my God, he's amazing.